A foreign investor wishing to invest in Iran's stock exchange should apply for a FIPA license by completing the application form for the foreign portfolio investment. Obtaining a FIPA license provides protections and benefits from the foreign investor. However, it is not a prerequisite for investment in Iran's stock exchange. The regulations on foreign investment in the stock exchange and OTC market remove several restraints from foreign investments, most notably the need for obtaining a FIPA license prior to investment in the stock exchange. Foreign individuals wishing to invest in Iran's stock exchange are only required to obtain a trading license from the Securities and Exchange Organization, also known as SEO. The regulation classifies the foreign investors into non-strategic and strategic investors. The non-strategic or passive investor can own up to 10% of the stocks of a company listed in the stock exchange or OTC markets. Overall, investments in the stock exchange and OTC markets by all foreign investors should not exceed 20% of the stocks of a company. The strategic or active investor is an investor with more than 10% stocks of a company listed in the stock exchange or OTC market, or if after acquiring the stocks, the investor becomes a member of the board of directors of that company. The regulation requires the strategic foreign investor to observe a 2-year lockup period for their acquired stocks and to seek the SEO's authorization for sales of their stocks within the lockup timeframe. To invest in Iran's stock exchange, the foreign investor should take the following steps. The foreign investor submits the required information and documents to the SEO to obtain a license for trading in securities in Iran's stock exchange. The documents shall be submitted through one of the brokerage firms which has been duly licensed and authorized by the SEO. Iranians with foreign capital are also considered as foreign investors and can therefore apply for a trading license, thus allowing them to enjoy more flexible regulations. The SEO will issue the trading license and deliver it to the applicant or the applicant's agent within 7 business days after reception of all the information and documents. Following the receipt of the trading license, the foreign investor is authorized to open accounts in Iran with foreign currencies, transfer foreign currencies to Iran, and convert them in the Iranian banks for their banking and investment operations. The foreign investor should apply for a special trading code. Once it has been issued, the foreign investor can trade in the stock exchange. To buy the TSE listed securities, the foreign investor should place a purchase order with the broker. A sum equal to the price of all the securities should be converted from foreign to Iranian currency and transferred from the investor's bank account to the broker's bank account to enable the purchase. The broker will provide the investor with buy-sell statements and a certificate of stock transfer. The foreign investor could sell their TSE listed securities by placing a sell order with the broker. Once the sell order is executed, the broker will provide the investor with a buy-sell statement and a certificate of the stock transfer. All dividends should be directly deposited into the investor's foreign currency bank account. Transferable amounts will be calculated by the SEO as requested by the foreign investor and will be communicated with the Central Bank of Iran. Currency control provisions that do not impair repatriation of transferable amounts calculated and approved by the SEO and the Central Bank are obliged to provide investors with the foreign currency equivalent to the transferable amounts.